All right, welcome. It's the Nine Dimes Project for Monday, June 8th. This is how you're being sold a lifestyle you can't afford. All right, so college is supposed to be about education, but it's become a 4 year spending competition. How much can you spend? Can you spend so much that you got these loans will probably never be paid back. All right, so college experience they sell you cost $30,000 to $50,000 on the low end. And that has nothing to do with your degree. Today we're exposing how colleges and your peers pressure you into a lifestyle that destroys your financial future. Hold on, we're gonna blow this up. Hold on, blow me up. Pause. All right, so Greek life, spring breaks, apartment upgrades, all the extras that seem mandatory. None of it is. Quick disclaimer, we're not financial advisors. This isn't financial advice. Somebody needs to say this because the marketing sure won't. They market colleges and universities to be this great thing now. And especially now, like you got universities that are going out of business, right? But let's continue. The college experience scam. They sell you a dream, not an education. Or it's an education about what you shouldn't have done. Glossy brochures with students lounging on beautiful campuses. State of the art gyms, lazy rivers, gourmet dining halls, party culture, football games, spring break trips. None of this gets you a job, but you're paying for all of it. The tuition breakdown nobody shows you. Actual education, professors, classes, materials, 30 to 40% of tuition. Amenities, gyms, pools, recreation centers, 15 to 20%. Administrative bloat, 25 to 30%. Sports programs and facilities, 10 to 15%. You're paying $100,000 plus for a resort with some classes included. The peer pressure multiplier. Everyone around you is living this lifestyle. If you opt out, you're missing the college experience. Fear of missing out is the most expensive emotion you'll ever feel. 4 years of keeping up equals 20 years of debt payments. So the hidden costs and the pressure behind them. Greek life, $5,000 to $8,000 a year. Dues, fees, apparel, events, formals. Total over 4 years, $20,000 to $32,000. Even more. That $30,000 invested in 20 to 30 years, $250,000 you could have had with that $30,000. Just that $30,000 will blow up to $255,000 by retirement. Off-campus luxury apartments, extra $3,000 to $6,000 per year. if you want that upgrade. A basic dorm is $8,000 a year. And so the luxury upgrade is $11,000 to $14,000 a year. Granite countertops don't improve your GPA. Unlimited meal plans, $4,500 to $6,000 per year. You eat maybe $2,000 of it. If you cook for yourself, it's $100 to $250 per month. Over 4 years, that's a savings of $10,000 to $16,000. Spring break trips could be $2,500 per year. A lot of times more. Over 4 years, I could balloon to $10,000. That $10K becomes $85,000 in 30 years. Bars, clubs, social events, $100 to $300 per month. $150 per month average is $7,200 over 4 years. Money you'll never remember spending. It was a total experience tax. It'd be over $50,000 for 4 years on top of tuition. And social media makes it 10 times worth. Everyone posts their best moments, formals, trips, parties. You don't see their credit card debt, their parents paying, their anxiety. And you're competing with people going into debt to look good online. Every scroll costs you money you don't have. Your net worth in 10 years matters more than Instagram likes today. So, how to survive college without going broke. If you're going to college anyway, here's how to not destroy yourself financially. Housing hacks. Live in the cheapest dorm option. Become an RA. Get free housing plus meal. Saves $15,000 a year. Or you can live at home if possible. Save $40,000 plus over 4 years. Food hacks. Skip the unlimited plan. Get the smallest one or none. Cook simple meals. Free food at campus events. They're everywhere. Social life hacks. Host game nights and movie nights in your dorm. Cheap, fun, real. Attend free campus events. Be honest with people. I'm trying to graduate debt free. Real friends will respect that. The minimalist approach. 10 to 15 versatile clothing pieces. Go to thrift stores where you're going out clothes. Spend $500 instead of $5,000 over 4 years. The bottom line, there are 2 types of college students. Type 1, focus on the experience, parties, trips, the lifestyle. Graduates with debt, a weak resume, and no savings. Spends the next 20 years paying for 4 years of fun. Type 2, focused on ROI. Education, skills, networking, graduating debt-free. Graduates with job offers, savings, and no debt. And spends the next 40 years building wealth. Ask yourself every day, is this expense getting me closer to my goals? If no, don't spend it. Compound interest doesn't care about your fear of missing out. All right, so we got our free tools, links in the description project. It's a 9 dimes project, wealth building tools. So in the comments below, what's your most expensive college experience you've seen people waste money on? Friday, talking about the debt-free life and how to never owe anyone anything. All right, 9 Dimes Project. Go ahead, build your wealth. See you Friday.